Okay, let's bypass all these plugins so far. Kick, snare, overheads, here's what we got. Here's before. And there you go. I mean, you know, there it is. That's the sound of analog. Okay. Presets and a lot of plugins, especially stock plugins, are lousy. There's very few companies and plugins that, you know, third-party manufacturers that make good presets. One of them that I really like, I've talked about on this channel many times before, is Slate Digital. They make really good presets, really good starting